how to get those flowers that really fill in and fill up your garden. Here is a great Studio 5 Get Gardening tip.
Have you ever gone into the garden center and noticed that some of the plants cost more than others? Well, don't let that turn you away. It's a good thing sometimes to pay a little bit more up front for premium genetics. When certain plants are grown vegetatively, they can come up with several different attributes that are great for us in the yard. So one of the attributes can be a trailing habit. When a plant trails, like these calibrachoas are doing, they can spread out and fall down in a container and provide one of our spillers. Or in the yard, they can actually fill in a space much faster. And so you don't need to space them as closely together when you pay for premium genetics and you have them trail throughout the yard. Another attribute is more or bigger flowers. And so if we want more color sometimes, we pay the extra up front for those premium genetics, and we can enjoy more color or bigger flowers over time.